What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Naked Woman Goes Berserk on Cops." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Is she showing everything? Let's find out.
Butt naked, so open your eyes. Double blink.
You got anything?
Double blink. You're not holding anything.
Yeah, in the.
You're holding your fingers.
Drawer of the husky.
You stupid bitch. Someone have your face smashed. You get it?
No, hey.
Cops in Florida spotted.
Yo, that's the most realistic, bro. Now that reaction right there is the most realistic reaction that I've ever seen, like, because people are human, you feel me? And when people get spit on, or in corrections you get piss and shit thrown on and stuff like that, like, it's automatic. It's gonna flip you, like, bing, you're gonna go into a whole nother, like, realm that you couldn't even imagine that you could go into. You feel me? So by this guy's instant reaction, that's a natural reaction, honestly. Like, guys that don't be reacting and stuff when somebody spit on you, like, it's like, is you scary? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, if somebody spit on me, I'm gonna have a natural reaction to want to flip instantly.
Yeah, in the.
You're holding your fingers.
Drawer of the husky.
You stupid bitch. Someone have your face smashed. You get it?
No, hey.
Cops in Florida spotted a woman who was wanted for a relatively minor failure to appear charge, but today she decided to upgrade that to a felony charge.
Alright, Autumn. So you do have a warrant for
Oh,
your
for
arrest, okay?
what?
We'll confirm in just a second.
I have a warrant for my arrest.
Bounce the other, it'll be more comfortable for you.
Excuse me?
Hey.
Hold on. What I have a warrant for my arrest?
We'll explain that in a minute.
Hold on.
Ma'am, stop.
What do I have a warrant for my arrest?
He's
for?
gonna explain it to you. Stop.
Okay, we're not supposed to immediately arrest the person
Yeah,
or put their hands behind their back.
So it's you didn't show up for you have a bench warrant. You didn't show up for something on a controlled substance. You had a day.
I did. I showed up. I was there.
10:15.
Have both all their heads smashed and then the rest of their children as well. So I told you my mom's not going to step away and say it just like that. Thank you.
443, I'm already in
And
the
watch
area.
the walk and crawl. And that they know, and make sure that they're uncovered. Yeah. So you'll be uncovered when you walk me there. And I'll let you just to let you know that most likely just some people's faces might get smashed from me being arrested.
Oh, we don't want that to happen.
Yeah. So what I have a warrant for?
It's for possession of a controlled substance. I guess you got arrested for that.
There's no such thing of that. So.
Well, that's what you were charged with, and the judge said he wanted to see you again in court, and you didn't show up.
Right.
So that's what it is. That's all it is.
So why don't you immediately put me inside the car then?
We're waiting for a female to come here and search you, because that's what we got to do. We got to make sure you got nothing on you. You got anything on you?
No, other than money.
Money? Okay, we'll make sure the money stays with you, okay?
Right. I'm naked as well as you.
All of us are naked under our clothes, right?
Right. So do not apply nudity near me.
Okay.
Yeah, they better be above the age of 50
50?
to be near me. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey there, do you have anything on you that's gonna poke, stick, or hurt me?
No, obviously not. We're butt naked, so open your eyes. Double blink.
You got
Double
anything
blink.
concealed on
No,
your person?
there's
at
not.
all?
There's
Okay.
not. There's not.
Perfect.
Correct. So how old are you?
Just to let you know, if you
No,
introduce
just to let
anything
you
to
know.
the jail, it's gonna be
No,
extra
just
hard,
to let you
okay?
know. Okay, so the moment you touch my breast, my face smash. Do you understand?
Yep.
Do you understand that?
Do you guys have like a bag or something?
So, open your eyes and double blink. You're not holding anything.
Yeah, in the.
You're holding your fingers.
Drawer of the husky.
You stupid bitch. Someone have your face smashed. You get it?
Here, let's just.
I'm gonna have your face smashed. Oh,
That's
just
gonna have
grab
to be
anything.
separate.
Oh, you just grabbed my baby. Now double blink. Give in your eye.
What is this?
It's Looney Tunes, boy. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, boy. I tell you.
Do you guys have someone for transport? Because I'm
What are you
helping
feeling
out.
for? What are you feeling for?
Hey,
Stop it. What are you feeling?
we're gonna get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
What are you feeling for? Hey, stop it. What are you feeling for? Grab my stomach, you stupid.
Listen.
I told you, you pushed my stomach. I was just trying to have a baby, you stupid. That's it.
Hey, listen, Autumn, that's enough, all right? Nobody's trying to hurt you, but you're being very reasonable. We just need to make sure what's in your pocket, all right? Stop resisting.
There's no pockets. We're naked. Are you stupid?
Alright, go ahead, widen your stance for me.
I can't do that because I just consummated a child. Yeah, dumbass. Are you stupid? Are you dumb?
So I can transport.
Have my child choke him in his sleep.
Perfect. All right.
And hold him down.
We're gonna walk over to this car.
Give my baby. So, I want a slow choked. Get it? Woo!
All right. Seatbelt. No. Hey. Charge?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
100%.
All righty then.
Is it nasty or something? Probably wipe off.
Autumn was charged with battery on an LEO and possession of drug paraphernalia. She was sentenced to 150 days in jail and ordered to pay $955 in fines and fees.
I released brand new unseen body cam footage.
Damn. 150 days? What was that, 6 months? No. 90 days. $130. Yeah. Around there. She cooked. She cooked. Her brain is fried, man. She'll be in and out of jail all the time throughout her life. You could tell she got some either mental health problems or, something isn't really wrapped too tight right there. So it is what it is, man. That cop's reaction is a natural reaction. Some people may think that, oh, he's aggressive, or oh, bro. If somebody spit in your face, you would flip. Off rip. That's one of the most disgusting things that a person could do to somebody. So I give the cops they get say a 4. I give him a 4 because he was able to hold his composure. They did their job.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.